How to forget a Wi-Fi password on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. Now go down and tap on the settings right next to the name of your Wi-Fi network. And from here, we go down to the bottom, then tap on forget. And that's it. We have now forgotten that Wi-Fi password. If you want to connect to that Wi-Fi again, you need to re-enter the password or the new password. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.